Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey YouTube, I know it has been forever since you've seen me, or probably not. I don't know where I am in the video editing process, but I know by the time I'm filming this video, I'm like 3-4 videos behind. But anyway, if you are new here or if you are returning, it is your girl Special Nicole, and I provide you videos about my Microloc journey, beauty, lifestyle, love, whatever, all of the things. So if any of that sounds like you like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And now we're gonna jump into today's video. So today's video is gonna be a retie video. Of course you know that because you saw the thumbnail and the title. So y'all already know how I feel about interlocking my hair, and here we are almost 2 years later. My sentiments are still the same, but today I want to try, or I have been trying, a NuLoxx tool, and I want to share that with you all and then give you some updates on my future plans for retying my hair. So if you've seen my video about my weekly Microloc a week with Microlocs video, in that vlog I shared that I ordered a NuLoxx tool, and I think in my last lock update I mentioned how I wanted to have a NuLoxx tool. I have the tool, so you've probably seen it already. This is a tool that I use to retie my hair this go around. I got this tool about a month ago, and I just got around to doing my hair, and now I am finally finished. But I saved for y'all so I can show you how things work with this lock tool. So it is the NuLoxx, I guess, locking tool. That's all I got. It's from Freedom and Beauty. I'll put the link down in the description box in case you're interested in getting it, but this is just another look at it. I like the tool. I wasn't able to use it in the back of my head because of, you'll see how I have to hold my hands. It was hard trying to get a groove with it because it was a new tool, but once I got a groove with it, I actually ended up liking it. So I did all of the front with it. I didn't do any of the back with it. I used my Old Faithful tool for that, but I did like it for the front. I just had to figure out kind of how to hold it in the back, and then I can't really see back there either, so that's the whole thing. But I am going to demonstrate how I used it on, I think I have 2 right here and then 2 more right here. It has a sharp point, so I do use a tip here because it is pointy to do my parting, like to clean up the parts. So I didn't even have to use a comb at all throughout this whole retie process, so that was great. But yeah, so I am going to show y'all how to do these few locks. So the way you need to hold it, what I found to be most comfortable is kind of just keeping your hands as close to this opening here as possible so you can get that lock and keep it secure. And you kind of just grip it as best you can in your hands. Like, you can't hold it back here because that's how I was starting, like trying to hold it down here. You have to keep your hands up here. So I wrap the hair around here, grip it in there, and then pull it through like that. And then now you can kind of see what I was saying about seeing where you ended. It's hard for me to try to show y'all. The camera doesn't know where to focus. But right there you can see the split, so you know that the way I went was the last way. I don't know what I'm trying to say. sometimes I have to switch hands because, like I said, holding it is a job in itself to get certain angles. But I do enjoy the grip that it has. I feel like I can get a nice and neat retie because it's gripping, picking up everything, which is what I wanted. My con would just be the way you have to keep holding, shifting your hand, shifting your head to be able to do it. It takes a little bit of a longer process. And then the con for me is just I haven't figured out how to do the back of my head from this angle. Well, with how I have to hold my hands yet, I didn't feel like trying to practice that this go around. I'll probably do that the next time. But yeah, I do enjoy how it picks up my hair. Also making sure you keep the tooth part or grip part, I guess, down, facing downwards. That was something I had to learn the hard way because you have it upwards, the lock kind of just falls out every time, which makes it annoying. So just keeping it facing down, it means you can grip it with the tooth part and maneuver it with your hand a lot better. And then I feel like I didn't have any issues with combining locks with this tool. So that kind of was a pro because like the part that's picking up is only around the lock you're working with. So you can't really pick up something else. Also, I'll say this is not a beginner friendly tool. This is like you had some practice, you've been doing this for a while, and you want to try something new tool. So we're finally finished, and ooh, I feel far away from y'all. And I like my results. Would I recommend the tool? I mean, I'm doing the video, so obviously I liked it. Like I said, I just don't think it is beginner friendly. It is more for someone who has been doing their own locks for a while, but by all means try it out. It does grip and pick up. As you can see, the scalp is scalping, so I do like that. So now I'm going to oil my scalp because I haven't done that this entire process, or probably in a while, because I washed my hair last week in preparation for me doing my hair for the retie, and then I've been working on that for a whole week, so I haven't oiled my scalp at all in a while. So I want to do that and just moisturize my hair in general. I also want to do kind of a protective style for the rest of the week because I find that I can't keep my hands out of my hair, and I want to keep the fresh look as long as I can. And I feel like the best way for me to be able to do that is to put my hair up and away. So I'm going to try this simple style. It's just going to be 2 barrel rolls going back into, I'm probably going to end up pinning them. Yeah, I'll probably pin them or do a bun at the end. We'll see. So I'm gonna oil my scalp first, and then we're gonna part my hair down the middle.
First, of course, I'm using the healing oil. You just need to tell them they need 2 spots for your girl, because y'all already know I've been using that for 2 years now, and with the protectiveness. Right, first of all, and I'm about to use this too. Y'all how we need to talk. We need to talk, because since I started my locks, y'all already know what I've been using in my head. Interlock some moisture because they haven't had anything really all week. Like I said, haven't done much to my hair because I've been trying to do my hair. So yeah.
But let's get into this hair. I'm about to part it down the middle. So camera, stop playing with me. I tried to get it as straight as possible in the back. Of course, like I said, I self-maintained and I can't see what I'm doing in the back of my head, so my middle part some way somehow is not as straight as this middle part here, but that's okay. So I already separated. Y'all have seen me do barrel rolls before, so I don't think we need much of a tutorial. If you haven't, I will link those videos down below so you can get a tutorial. This is kind of just watch me do my hair video. So like I said, I'm gonna do 2. Okay, so we have 1 barrel roll complete. I'm gonna put a rubber band on the end. Just to hold it for now. And on to side 2. So now I'm going to just tuck and pin the back. Hopefully. Alright, so we are done. I'll try to show y'all the back. I don't know if y'all can see. I gotta use like a, oh, y'all can see. So it's straight for the most part, except that section right in the middle, and that's where I had combined some locks. They had combined and I separated in the beginning in that area, so that's why my part got a little off, but it's okay. I'm giving slightly my wedding look. Slightly. That's what I look like. How I looked on my wedding day. But I'm hoping that I can kind of keep my retie looking nice and fresh and just put my hair away. And this feels good. It doesn't feel too tight because I didn't want to make it too tight because I know me, I like my hair being free. So this is new for me. I like my hair being free. So, but I'm going to have this moment to let my hair be put away. So I can't just sit there and play in it and touch it and frizz it up like I've been doing. So I'm gonna try to start doing this whenever I do get reties, to put my hair up a bit. Just to, you know, like I said, not mess it up. So yeah, I think before I go to bed, I'm gonna add a couple more hairpins back there. That's still just to make sure it's secure. But that is everything for this video. What do y'all think about the look? And what do y'all think about the tool? Comment down below, let me know. And oh, only other thing I'm gonna do is just spray. I didn't do this. I'm gonna spray just to have some sheen, just so you can have some sheen. So yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one.